For my birthday, my wife gave me a slackline. What's a slackline, you ask? Well, I'll show you what it is. It's one of these things. And I'm going to try setting it up for the first time. This looks like as good a place as any to set it up. I can't get it flat here. This is very tight. I've got those protectors keeping the trees okay. As tight as it can go, but the problem here, it's not flat here.
Is that for the tree?
Got a little bit of a problem. This should be flat, but it turns a bit to the side. So I've got to, I don't know why. Maybe this should be over here a bit more, I'm not sure. Once I'm standing on it, it's okay.
Bye bye.